Still in St. Catherine, a female councillor was assaulted today at the municipal corporation. She was reportedly struck by a man in her face after an argument developed over a parking spot. The man is currently on the run. Jamaica Maitland has our story.
People's National Party councillor for the Angels Division, Patricia Harris, was hospitalized on Wednesday after she was assaulted by a man in the vicinity of Emancipation Square in St. Catherine. Ms. Harris reportedly parked her vehicle in a section of the square to attend a meeting at the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation. She was subsequently called outside to remove it, and that's when the encounter took place.
She was in the meeting and she would have asked for some time to go downstairs and remove their vehicle, which was blocked in another vehicle. And it was at that point that we heard of a situation. I understand it's one person, and it has nothing to do with the driver of the vehicle that was blocked.
Ms. Harris received injuries to her face. TVJ News understands that at first she was taken to a medical facility in St. Catherine for treatment. However, due to the severity of her injuries, she was moved to the corporate area. The assault comes just days after our news center highlighted the security concerns at municipal corporations, including those raised by councillors in St. Catherine. The councillors have been asking for increased physical security presence, not only for them, but for the corporation as well.
I'm disappointed and I'm upset. And why so? I would have been making these calls for the longest while, and it has fell on deaf ears as it relates to security for councillors, or even security for the municipal corporation building, because we do have meetings here on a regular basis, and we are left to for anything to happen to her. We understand that there are some situations that relates to finances, CPOs, but a risk assessment, a proper risk assessment. We know what happens in Spanish Town. Could have been done, a proper risk assessment could have been done, and then we treat with the situation accordingly.
TVJ News understand that there is no secured parking for the councillors, only the mayor and a few others. There is a car park, but that too gets full with staff of the corporation, court officials and citizens who may come to conduct business. And so, people like Ms. Harris often resort to parking their vehicle in the area, an area which is not a legitimate parking lot, but where citizens are forced to pay to park. The matter is being investigated by the Spanish Town Police. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.